the kind looking like about when I'm 2, 4, watching you stare. All of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. Why don't you suffocate? Alright. Like everything away. Darling, don't be afraid. Oh my gosh. You're so cute.
吹了压过去。
没事，我还是这里，不怕。阿妞，过来，真乖，坐下，真乖。啊，阿妞，握手，换一只，真乖。啊，再握，换一只，再换一只，再换。嗯
What are you doing? You okay, little friend? Come here. Are you okay? Did you get hurt?
How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone. All of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow.
Come on. Good girl. Hi, lovers.
In this country, stray animals aren't seen as a problem. They're treated as neighbors. Welcome to Turkey, a place where humans and animals share the streets, the sunshine, and a quiet kind of kindness. Here, cats aren't hiding in alleyways. They're VIP guests at your local cafe. They nap on bookstore sofas and sunbathe lazily on street corners. Dogs wait patiently at shop entrances. Some get food, some get head pats, and others even have little homes, tiny street shelters built just for them. And the most amazing part? Almost every cat and dog has a name. Locals know their personalities, their quirks, which one loves fish and which one only drinks bottled water. The government doesn't chase them away. Volunteers step in. They feed them, vaccinate them, and provide spay/neuter care. Not because the law demands it, but because the entire society has agreed on something unspoken. These animals don't belong to anyone, but everyone cares for them. In a noisy world, Turkey offers a different way to live. Not by removing the stray, but by accepting, respecting, and walking alongside them. Watch how this city meets every forgotten life with gentleness and holds space for those the world too often overlooks.